polymorphism. Polymorphism is derived from the two Greek words poly and morphs. Poly means many, morphs means forms. So it is said to be a polymorphism. Whenever you are having a base class methods and derived class methods, both are same. So at that time, for example, same entity which is having the method or operator or an object, it can perform a different operations in the different scenario. First thing is data type. So what kind of data type it is? Next one is method parameters. So like method parameter. For example, int A is a method. Here we are having a void A. For int, it need to return a 0. So wherever it has to return a 0. Return a value. Return 0 or something. It need to get a return. For void method A, no need to return a value. Otherwise, if you are having a void A is a method which is going to accept a one argument int I. It performs some operation. So this is semicolon. It performs some operation, and again you are having a void A. So it may have a two arguments double A comma int B. So like that, there are different scenarios we can able to identify. This particular things is called, we can able to identify the signatures. Signature means that how many number of arguments are there. So we can able to identify based upon signature. And next thing is based upon a number of arguments. So how many number of arguments you are passing. So if it is a single argument is passed, so it need to identify explicitly only single argument. So then this is the method. A with having a single line. If two arguments are passed, so it identify A with two arguments. So like that, it identifies so which particular method is invoked. So that is the basic thing. So if two particular methods are having a same name, same argument, same signatures, then it is called said to be a overriding. So then the things will be overwritten. Let us see with the real-time examples. So there are two types of polymorphism. First one is runtime polymorphism. Next one is compile time polymorphism. Basically, a particular polymorphism with a compiled polymorphism is said to be a static binding. So then runtime polymorphism is said to be a dynamic binding polymorphism. Static means compile time. So during the compile time, nothing will be changed. So because everything is run by the interpreter, so no dynamic effects will be done. During the runtime polymorphism, for example, if you are passing a command line arguments, whenever you are going to pass a command line arguments, what will happen? You can pass anything. So whatever the text you can type, whatever the array name things you can able to type, that will be accepted. If you are giving something, it may give a error. So that particular polymorphism is called dynamic binding or dynamic polymorphism, which is also called as a runtime polymorphism. So let us see. So here in runtime polymorphism, so here animal. So here we are having an animal. So here we are having a sound. Here if you are going to consider, here we are having a sound. So here also horse is extends from the animal. So now here we are having a same methods as sound. Now we have created an object for animal and assigning the another type called horse. So whenever you are going to invoke a object or sound, so which particular thing will be called? So here only neighbor. So which is in the derived class will be called. For example, so if you want to call sound method which is here, so at that time the particular specific object super dot sound, so that we can able to retrieve the particular whatever the class we have given. The class name is this one, so that it is going to get the value of sound. Object name sound is neighbor, neigh, so that is the sound of horse. So next one is compile time polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism is called static polymorphism. So where we are going to give the polymorphism. So here we are having a void demo. So here if you are going to consider this particular classes, this is a class. Within this class we are having a two methods. One method is with the single argument. Here we are having a two number of arguments. So now here system.out.println a b, it is going to print a and the value of b. So now here if you are going to consider, here we have given another method called demo. Here before the demo we are having a keyword called double. So here we are having a void. Void does not have any return type. So now it need to return a value whatever the demo is there. So then it is going to print the value. So it is going to do print the double a into a. It need to return the value a into a. That value should be returned to particular program. Here we are having a method overloading, that is the name of program. String array arguments within this one. Overload is a name of the class. So object is created and here new instance is created. We have created a value double result. So now object.demo 10. So single argument is passed. Single argument is passed means the value should be passed to single. So here we are having a single argument integer a. For integer a 10 is passed. Next object.demo, so 10 comma 20. So which particular argument having a two arguments int a and int b, that will be accepting the two arguments 10 and 20. Now the result, so double result equal to obj.demo 5.5. so 5.5 is the value which is passed. So to the double a, 5.5 will be passed to the double a. So here if you are going to consider result, so it has to result will be has to be printed. So whenever you are going to call the method called demo, so it has to return the value because it is not a void. So it is not a void, it has to return a value. It will be returning the value. Finally it is going to print the output. So now here it is going to print the output. The first thing is 10 comma 20, 10 will be printed. So the value will be passed as it is. So 10 is there. So 10 will be printed from system.out.println. Next demo, whatever the two pair of values are passed 10 and 20, 10 and 20 will be printed. Next here 5.5 is the value which is passed. So it is multiplied with a into a. It means a is a value passed which is a 5.5 here. So here you have passed a 5.5 here. So and again it has to be multiplied, return a into a. So that will be printed here. The value. The value a into a should be printed here. So now finally it is going to print the 30.25. So here 5.5 is passed. So then it is going to print the value 30.25. So this is the polymorphism we have studied. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.